Okay, so let's be real, debugging is the part of coding that slowly eats your soul. You write 3 lines of code and suddenly your app thinks 2 plus 2 equals banana. But now, thanks to AI, you don't have to suffer completely alone. Here are AI debugging techniques that will actually speed up your workflow and maybe even save your sanity. So first things first, prompt the bug, not just the code. Don't just paste your broken code into ChatGPT and say, fix it. Instead, explain what the code is supposed to do, point out what's not working, mention the error message or unexpected behavior. You're not giving the AI a magic wand, you're giving it context. The better the prompt, the smarter the fix. Treat AI like a junior dev. It can help a lot, but only if you explain yourself clearly. Now for the second technique, ask for explanation, not just solutions. Sure, it's tempting to just say, fix it and move on, but if you're trying to actually get better, ask AI to explain why it's changing something. Have it walk you through the bug. Why did the loop break? Or why is the function returning null? And this way you're learning while debugging, which means next time you won't need help at all. Or you'll at least break things in a more interesting way. Technique number 3, use AI to compare versions. Copy your original broken code, paste it in the AI suggested fix, then ask what exactly changed and why. And boom, instant code diff plus reasoning. Way faster than digging through version control or squinting at your own Git history wondering what past you was thinking at 3 AM. And technique number 4, use AI to generate test cases. Writing unit tests is important, but let's be honest, it's also kinda annoying. So let the AI write the boilerplate. Tell it, generate test cases for this function with edge cases and expected outputs. Now you've got coverage and time back. Now look, AI won't fix every bug for you, but it can help you fix them faster with less hair pulling. The key is to treat AI like a tool, not a crutch. Explain clearly, ask smart questions, and learn from the answer. Now drop a comment if AI helped you squash a nasty bug lately, or if it just made things worse.